Shari Gaura Bhagavanda.
सो वेलकम बैक टू लंदन ट्रैवल गाइड पार्ट 2. पार्ट 1 में हमने देखा आउटर नेट. आई विल शो यू द डिजिटल स्क्रीन एंड इन द पार्ट 2 आई विल शो यू द ब्यूटी ऑफ लंदन in the ISKCON temple. This is one of the major spot which you can't miss out. The vibe is different, the people are different, and you will really love it. Must visit once. No matter you are British
So
or
this is
any
the
other
central,
culture, just
and
visit
वो
once
है
and
जो
you'll
स्क्रीन
feel
दिखाई थी आपको
loved.
आउटर नेट. तो वहाँ से ये टॉटनहम कोर्ट रोड स्टेशन है, ये भी टॉटनहम कोर्ट रोड स्टेशन है. तो यहाँ से यहाँ मुड़ जाना है, तो वहाँ आएगा आपका इस्कॉन टेम्पल. ये बस जहाँ जा रही है वहाँ पे. सो जस्ट गो टॉटनहम कोर्ट रोड स्टेशन से सीधा अंदर. लेट्स गो. आई एम क्रॉसिंग फ्रॉम द मिडल ऑफ द रोड. तो हम यहाँ से मुड़ जाएंगे. तो सैटरडे नाइट्स ऑलवेज पब्लिक ज़्यादा होता है. मुड़ जाएंगे हम अंदर की साइड सीधा. आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे, वहाँ से थोड़ा इधर तो आ जाएगा आपका इस्कॉन टेम्पल. इट्स नॉट टू मच फार अवे. तो ये हम आ गए हैं विटर्ड चेल्सी, जहाँ पे आपको टेस्टर्स मिलती है कॉफ़ीज़ की, कोल्ड कॉफ़ीज़ एंड हॉट कॉफ़ीज़. तो हम मंदिर जाने से पहले हमेशा हर कोई यहाँ टेस्ट करता है. जैसे ही हम हॉट चॉकलेट लेके बाहर निकलते और आ जाता है ये ज़ारा का शोरूम, और ज़ारा के शोरूम से सीधे लेफ़्ट मुड़ जाना है. और ये आ गया हमारा टेम्पल, इस्कॉन टेम्पल. ये जो सामने दिख रहा है गोविंदाज रेस्टोरेंट एंड इस्कॉन टेम्पल. तो ये टेम्पल है ऊपर. लेट्स गो टू टेम्पल अप और आपको दिखाता हूँ कैसे टेम्पल में आप चाहते हैं. वाओ, क्यूट गिटार.
सो दिस इज़ द वे वीडियो जो मैं लंदन में महसूस करता हूँ हर वक्त, वो आपको महसूस करवा सकूँ. एज लाइक यू आर एंटरिंग द टेम्पल, जस्ट फील इट दैट यू आर एट द सेम प्लेस. एंड just so I'm not cutting anything. So ये है एंट्रेंस हरे कृष्णा टेम्पल का. ये स्टेप्स चढ़ के हम ऊपर आते हैं हर वक्त.
आरती चल रही है.
लंदन के बीचों बीच हरे कृष्णा इस्कॉन टेम्पल, सोहो. This is in the area of Soho, the busiest street of the London, in the central London, and people are praising Lord Krishna, Radha Ji, and Jagannath Puri God. So this is the next level experience everyone should experience. The people inside the temple are so energetic, so vibrant, and जो उनमें उत्साह है वो देखने लायक है. आप वहाँ जाके ही आप में पॉजिटिविटी आ जाएगी. You will feel positive vibes there and blessings of the God, and the people are so good around you. So you will feel blessed in London busy life. So presently you are taking blessings of Lord Hare Krishna in the form of video. Just feel like you are inside the temple. आप ऐसा ही फील करो कि आप मंदिर के अंदर है और भगवान श्री कृष्ण के आशीर्वाद लीजिए. मज़े की बात यह है कि यहाँ सिर्फ मैंने इंडियंस नहीं देखे, हर तरह के लोग थे. इवन ब्रिटिश पीपल वर देयर, ऑल रशियंस वर देयर, एवरीवन वाज देयर एज अ वर्शिपर ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ढोलक बजा रहा है वो भी यूरोपियन है कोई. एंड फ्रॉम एवरी अराउंड कंट्री मीन्स Europeans and everyone is coming to here in temple, and they are praising Lord Krishna and dancing on the kirtan of Lord Krishna. So this is the tradition of the temple. The flowers which are offered to Lord Krishna are given to everyone to have fragrance of it. उसे सूंघने के लिए सबको दिया जाता है टेम्पल के अराउंड, जो भगवान श्री कृष्ण को फूल चढ़ाते हैं. तो ये आप देख सकते हो टेम्पल, सराउंडिंग टेम्पल अराउंड कैसा है. सो ईच एंड एवरी वॉल मीन्स जो भी पोर्ट्रेट, it portrays the life of Lord Krishna, different form of Lord Krishna when he was small, when he killed the Kans, and when he killed Hiranyakashipu, and when he took incarnation of Lord Shri Krishna, Lord Shri Ram, Sita Mata. So everything is carved here with the mother Yashoda Maya and Radha Ji. So beautiful temple. If this is the must visit place to calm your mind in London and see something different, different from the clubs and the havoc noise. So after the Aarti, temple people goes around on the road whole of the central London with the procession of Lord Shri Krishna, और एक मैसेज देते हैं और सबको अपने साथ नचाते हैं. And see how the people are happy with the procession of Lord Shri Krishna. This is the most unique thing you will experience in the London, in the central London. So must vibe with it.
Presently we are at Chinatown. आप देख सकते हो Chinatown पे हम, और Chinatown में चाइनीज लोगों के सामने भी हमने सबको नचा दिया. जहाँ श्री कृष्ण होते हैं वहाँ गोपियाँ होती है और सब नाचते हैं और दिल खोल के. और that's the thing. गोरे काले चाइनीज कोई भी आप ले लो, that's no discrimination.
Radha Shiva Shari Gaura Bhagavanda.
It's a paneer thali. That's a rice. That's paneer chili. That's a pure dal. Muksh मिल जाने वाली दाल. So without garlic and lasan, it's so tasty. That salad they give. Was that dahi? Yeah, that's good. And there's also rajma if you want, and mixed veg, and dahi vada. So today we have one of the British worshipper of Lord Krishna. Her name is Kay, and you have just seen him in the temple, who was very good playing an instrument. which is called in Hindi Vajapati. I don't know in English what. See the smiling face and the dress like Radha ji, Radha Rani. Wow, you're looking beautiful, Kay.
Thank you. Radhe Radhe everyone. My name's Kay. I'm from London. I live in London. And I've been KC for 3 years now. So I play the harmonium and kartals and I love going on Harinam and stuff. So that's
Harinam.
where we are today.
So how did you join with Lord Krishna, Kay?
So a friend took me to Govinda's in London and upstairs is the temple room and they was like, come upstairs, like it's really cool. And I was like, oh, and I went upstairs and it was amazing. It's absolutely spectacular. And to be off one of the busiest roads in London, just absolute serenity, just absolutely stole my heart. So I fell for Krishna, I fell for Radha, and then it was kind of like, oh, I just do like, I go there sing sometimes, maybe have a dance. And then about a year into my journey with Krishna, I stayed at Bhaktivedanta Manor, just outside of London for a little bit. And doing Seva really brought me closer to Krishna. It really showed me what matters in my life, and now I'm following all the 4 exit principles. Later this year I'm going on a tour with some devotees. I've just stayed at a temple in Germany, so honestly my whole life now revolves around Krishna and that's how it's meant to be.
So are you from Germany, basically?
No, so I'm from the UK.
Are you British? Proper British?
Yeah, fully
Oh,
British.
That's good.
My family was not religious, so there was like a little bit Christianity, but no religion. Like we definitely hadn't heard of the Vedic scriptures. We hadn't heard of Krishna. Like no kirtan, nothing. And then now my mum is actually practicing Hare Krishna. She comes to Harinam. She likes to play the kartals and stuff. And my brother sometimes sings along kirtan with us because I have a harmonium at home. So when I'm worshipping my deities at home, he joins in. And it's really nice to see them come to Krishna as well.
How do you feel after joining to Lord Krishna? Does it make any difference?
Yeah, I think before I didn't have much purpose. Like I was more so like I'd go to work to earn money and then money to spend on going out with friends or something, but there wasn't really much purpose for where my life was heading. And now I can devote my life and my time to Krishna, and I know why I'm devoting that time and how that's going to help me in my next life, and it's going to save generations beside me. So I'm so like happy and proud to be able to do that for my family.
Okay, I have seen in London people running for money. Even if he loves someone, he or she always asks how much do you earn or that. So does money makes difference in our life in today's generation, or after coming to Krishna you have felt the difference that money doesn't matter? What do you want to say about?
In a material world, money obviously matters. It's what the world kind of revolves around. That's what everyone here is like, just fed by the money. And I think when you're in Krishna's world, you're fed by your love and devotion for Krishna. If I can't eat, the temple will feed me. Like if I have nowhere to stay, the temple puts like a roof over my head. Krishna is like my life and my home, and that's who I strive for, and that's what controls my life. And I think for the materialistic side, money is that control, and to break free from that was so exhilarating.
That was really
There's
inspiring.
nothing like it, honestly.
Have you been to Vrindavan or Mathura?
I haven't yet. I'm applying for a visa at the moment, hoping to go later this year.
Hopefully
It'll be my
we'll
first
both
time.
go together. I'm also applying for the same, and
Cool.
I have never been to there, and I would like to go there. After coming here, I become more religious and going to
Yes.
your temple and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, that was wonderful talking with you.
Hari
Hari
Bol.
Bol, Hari Krishna, Hari Nam, Jai Radharani. That was the K. So money can buy you material things and everything, but the mental peace and harmony and love, if you want, just go to the temple and meditate and just dance with the God. That's the real world. You'll feel the difference. For you, Radhe Radhe.
So it's not end yet. If you are visiting ISKCON temple, don't forget to visit Govinda's restaurant just beside the temple. And आप ये restaurant miss नहीं कर सकते, because the beauty of this temple is cruelty free thali. So it's a whole dish made without any animal, means it's non-violence, on the theme of non-violence, without garlic, without ginger food, and it's so tasty. Everyone comes here and just dwells into the food, and everyone enjoys the food. Europeans and everyone foreign also, country people come here and enjoys the cruelty free dish. And see the beauty, how colorful the food is, and every day, so they serve with their whole heart.
Actually, I've taken simple dal rice. Let's see how they taste. What do you say? The taste is so awesome. मतलब मंत्रमुग्ध होने वाली दाल राइस वो जो खा के बस सो जाओ वो वाले चले, मतलब हाथ से खाने की मज़ा आ रहा है. ये जो टेस्ट है ना माँ के हाथ वाला, इंडिया वाला, ये सिर्फ यहाँ पे मिल सकता है. जो मंत्रमुग्ध होने वाला टेस्ट है. ये दाल में कुछ नहीं है लेकिन इतनी टेस्टी है. लव इट. हरे कृष्णा हरे राम हरे जय राधा रानी जय राधा कृष्णा. Subscribe the channel and wait for the part 3 of the Central London. We will go next time. The other route means straight to the Leicester Square and Piccadilly and everything. Just tune with us.